Hi, I'm Michael Rosenblatt, and I am starting my third year working with Dr. Ovadia Heart Health. I will describe how I made a decision to work with Dr. Ovadia. For several years, I was growing uncomfortable with traditional medicine. I was not seeing the health improvements I had anticipated with my doctor's recommendations. In 2019, I changed my primary care doctor to one that trained in fundamental medication. His focus was to look at solutions to my conditions rather than treat my symptoms. He changed my diet to a keto diet and started me on supplements and vitamins rather than on forever medications. I started to see positive results. I lost weight and my lab work showed improvement. In 2020, I suffered a heart attack and was hospitalized for almost 4 weeks. I was diagnosed with the following issues: cardiac artery disease, complete heart block, ventricular tachycardia, mitral regurgitation, ventricular fibrillation, and chronic heart failure. The doctors inserted a pacemaker defibrillator. For the next 3 years, my primary cardiologist kept putting me on more and stronger medications. At one point, I was taking 6 prescription medications. My lab work was only showing minimal positive results. I started to look for a cardiac specialist that understood my full medical history and looked to solve my underlying conditions, not just treat the symptoms, and also understood how the proper diet could improve my health. I found Dr. Ovadia through an internet search and watched several of his YouTube videos. I liked what I saw and reached out to him. We set up an introductory video call where we discussed my situation and a possible course of action. I discussed the call with my primary doctor, who knew of Dr. Ovadia, and said it may be a good fit to collaborate with him. In early 2023, I made the leap and contracted with Dr. Ovadia Heart Health. Dr. Ovadia ordered lab tests that I had never had before. We started improving my metabolic health issues. I moved more towards a carnivore diet and saw good improvements with each successive lab test results. I am currently taking only 2 prescription medications and feeling drastically better. My left ventricle ejection fraction has improved from 30 to 45. Dr. Ovadia and his team are very responsive to any questions I have and get quick responses to my inquiries via the Spruce application. I have regular video calls with Dr. Ovadia where we discuss my health journey in more detail and map out the next item to work towards achieving. I have also had calls with his nurse practitioner and one of his coaches. Both were very knowledgeable and patient with me. I highly recommend working with the Ovadia Heart Health team.